coding and all, right? Yeah. So for coding, here in Avishkar, we are going to use a software called AMS software. Do you know what does AMS stand for?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Avishkar Maker Studio.
Very good. Vatsal, you are
Avishkar
from
Maker
which school?
Studio.
Vatsal, you are from which
Ma'am,
school?
I'm in URS in public school.
And Burning Studio.
Okay,
from
that's
URS
the
and
tool. It's Avishkar Burn tool, with the tool which we use to upload the code to the robot. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
today we are
Yes,
going to learn about how to register ourselves. So if you have to create any account into any application, you have to register yourself first, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
For that, we'll start, today we'll learn how to register ourselves into the Avishkar website. Okay. So I'll be sharing my screen. You'll have to tell me how to share the screen. I mean, if the screen is visible or not. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Is the screen visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. To create our ID, to register ourselves, we will be going to the website called avishkar.cc. Okay. Avishkar.cc is the website which we will be going to register ourselves. Okay. So once you go to the website, this is the screen you will be seeing. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Once you go to the screen, you will have a sign in option in the right top corner. Can you all see the sign in option?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You have to
Yes,
click on the
ma'am.
sign in option. And here, welcome to Avishkar, you will get the screen. In this, you will have to use your mobile number to log in yourself. Okay. So we are going to take this number and log in. And children, you should not use your, since you are in this call, there are 8th grade students, 9th grade students as well. You will not use your own number. You have to take your parents' number. Okay. Everyone should use their parents' number to log in.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we'll verify the account. So you all can see there are two options here. You have to click on the verify option and go to the next screen. So here
Okay, ma'am.
you have an option. Yeah. Is the screen visible clearly now? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will have to go to the student. You will have to select the student option.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have a doubt.
1 second. So doubts will keep it to the end of the session. First, I'll just finish the explanation. Okay. Write down your doubts and keep it. And at the end of the session, we'll clear the doubts. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, you all have to select student option here. Since we are educator, we are just showing you a demo, but you people have to select student option here. Just show you. So there are 3 options. Is it a parent, student, or educator? You students will be selecting the student option. Okay, clear? Yeah.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you'll have to enter the details, your name, your gender, and your date of birth, and your email ID.
Ma'am, should we do it now or just see it?
No. This is only the steps that you are going to learn. We will be sharing the recording of the session. Post the session, you can try, or even if you can try tomorrow, that's okay. But now you will only watch and learn. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. once you share all the details, you will be getting your profile name, okay. So we already have an account. So we cannot, once you share in whatever details we showed, then your profile name will be coming here and your account will be created. Okay. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the registration is done, right? Now, after registering yourself, how will you do coding? For
Ma'am,
coding,
we must download the AMS tool from the website.
yeah. So we'll be doing online, we'll go to the website online and do the coding. Okay. So here we'll go to a website called ams.avishkar.cc. Okay. For coding. For registering, it is just avishkar.cc, and for coding, it is ams.avishkar.cc. Okay. Yeah. Once you go to that website, you will be seeing this screen. Okay. Can you all see the screen?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. In this
Yes, ma'am.
options, we are going to select code with Avishkar hardware, the first option. Okay. Once we select code with once we select this option, code with Avishkar hardware, the next screen that we get is to choose which model of Avishkar we have. The brain, whatever name is there, it will be written on the brain of the robot. Okay. So you all can read the name from there and select. So you all are working on 0 BLE model. Okay. So you'll have to select that. This is how your coding screen will look like. Okay. Now, to start programming, what option should I select? How do I start the programming? Have you all done before?
Ma'am, you have to go to practice.
Ma'am, my program. We have to put the my program first.
Okay, very good. So
My
we'll
program.
go to control option and we'll go to my program. Should I just select it or drag and drop it?
Drag and drop.
Very good. Okay.
Drag and drop.
Yeah. So we'll just show a basic coding how the robot moves forward. Okay. And we'll upload the code to the robot and we'll see how the robot works. Okay. But before uploading the code, we have to save our program, right?
And we have to save, compile, and burn.
Very good. So for saving, we have to give a file name. And for the file name, for the names, you should not give any space between the characters, whatever name you're giving. Okay. So we'll go to the save and we'll compile the code and then we will burn the code. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to do a forward movement of the robot. For that, we'll do a simple coding. So how many motors do we have? 2 motors, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Connected to the robot. Okay. So
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
select motor 1. And yeah, here, if the robot has to go forward, port 1, we'll be selecting clockwise direction, and port 2, we'll be selecting anti-clock direction. Okay. So again, we'll copy the same code, drag and drop it, and we'll go select port 2. And for port 2, we'll be giving anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now Now, if I have to check how my robot is working, I have to give some timing, right? Distance I have to take, right? So here I'll give 3000 milliseconds. And children, you all have to remember one thing. Here, we will only give timing according to milliseconds. So if it is 3000 milliseconds, then how many seconds will the robot move for?
3 seconds. 3 seconds.
3 seconds. Very good. Okay. So now we are done with the code. So once we have done, we'll save the code. Children, don't write anything on the screen, please. Don't scratch and write anything.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Vatsil. Yes, we will clear the doubt. Let us save this file and run the program and check how a robot works. Okay?
Okay,
We'll
ma'am.
save the file and we'll compile the code. Then we will
Burn it.
yes. Okay, we'll just burn the code and we'll see how the robot works.
Students, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So did you all see how the robot worked? It
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
But when I was burning the code, did you all see your screen? There was something written like Avishkar burn tool, AMS burn tool.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is a tool
Yes,
which you
ma'am.
will be using to burn the code. Okay, you will have to install it, and with help of that, the code will be uploaded to the robot. Okay, and the robot will be connected through Bluetooth with your laptop. So once you burn the code, it will automatically go to the robot and the robot becomes actionable. Okay, whatever task you're giving to the robot, the task will be performed. Okay, clear?